Haro. I look crazy today. Today was a crazy day. I'm just counting down the minutes till my husband gets home. We're gonna have pizza and I'm gonna take a bath. Probably gonna eat pizza while I'm taking a bath because hashtag first trimester pregnancy life. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys all about my revenue streams, my income streams, the ways that I make money. We're all stuck at home right now and you know, people are looking for ways to make money. Luckily my husband's job is considered essential, so he is still working. I have 7 different revenue streams, different income streams, 7 different ways that I make money, and let's talk about them. Okay, the first one, yep, you're on it, you're watching me, it's YouTube. So I make money off the ads that run on my videos. I have gotten a bunch of comments lately saying, Vanessa, you have so many ads on your videos, like it's so annoying. The reason I have so many ads on my videos is because the more ads you have on your videos, the more money you make, and I feel like I learned that way too late. I should have been running lots of ads on my videos as soon as you're able to run more than one ad on your video, honestly, because the money that I'm making right now off YouTube, I've never made this much money in my whole entire YouTube career. I've been making videos now since 2008, so 12 years I've been making videos. Literally, like the month I started running more ads on my videos, I started making a shit ton more money, and like I said, I've never made this much money on YouTube before. So the ads are there to stay, and it's a normal thing now. Like, you can think it's annoying, but you know, do you watch TV? Well, some of you guys might not watch TV. A lot of people just watch Netflix and Hulu and stuff like that. But you know, it's the new normal. So you know, if you're a true supporter of mine, you won't think they're annoying. It'll be worth it for my content, you know, if you're a true supporter. I do make more money if you guys watch the ads as opposed to skipping them. So if you really love me, watch the ads. So yeah, YouTube is the first way that I make money. Actually, I have 8 revenue streams because I didn't put sponsorships. I didn't put that on my list. I do sponsorships on YouTube. I haven't been doing many, but that still is an income stream for me. So basically, you know, a brand will contact me and they'll want to collab with me, negotiate a rate. The next way that I make money is through Poshmark, through my reselling business. My channel has just turned into a Poshmark channel now. It used to be all about like beauty stuff, but now it's mostly about reselling, and I still want to keep doing beauty stuff because, you know, that's how my channel started, and I still like talking about makeup and stuff like that. But reselling like really is my passion. Like, that's really truly what I was meant to do in life. Well, first off, I think I was meant to just have a lot of babies. I think that was my like #1 calling in life, was to be a mama of many. And then reselling next for sure. So yeah, so Poshmark, I go to the thrift stores, I buy things for cheap, and then I turn around and sell them and make a profit. And Poshmark has been amazing. Like, seriously, it's been a full-time income. And it's amazing. I love it. It's so much fun. It definitely is challenging now that I cannot go to an actual thrift store. I've had to resort to online sourcing, and that's been a headache because I've had, I'll talk about this in another video, but I've had some headaches, like just dealing with orders and stuff and shady sellers on Poshmark, because I've been doing sourcing on Poshmark too. So yeah, I cannot wait until I can step my feet into a thrift store. I'm probably gonna be in like a full hazmat suit, but it'll be glorious. Okay, so my next income stream is through Rakuten. If you guys don't know what Rakuten is, it used to be called Ebates. It is a cashback website. It's free to sign up. Basically, you sign up on the website, and when you do your online shopping, you want to go through the Rakuten website first. So if you're gonna shop at Ulta, which I did today, you wanna go to the Rakuten website, search for Ulta on Rakuten, and then you wanna go to Ulta through Rakuten's link. And then depending on the day, you'll get a certain percentage cash back, which is amazing. Like, you're gonna do online shopping anyway, why not go through Rakuten and get cash back? I also get bonuses when you guys sign up using my link. Right now it's a $30 bonus. It used to be $25, but they've upped it to $30, which is amazing. So if you guys want to sign up for Rakuten, I will have my link down below. Once you guys sign up, you can turn around and give your friends and family your link to sign up, and you will get $30 every time somebody signs up using your link, which is amazing. Another income or revenue stream is my private closet consultations that I'm doing. Private Poshmark Closet Consultations. I have started doing that. I've done a bunch so far. The response has actually been overwhelming. I didn't think that many people really valued my opinion that much, but it's definitely flattering. Yeah, I'm having fun doing it. If you guys are interested in that, I will have more info down below. It's super affordable. It's 20 bucks for you know, me to look at your closet and give you tips and tricks and ideas on how to hopefully increase your sales. So yeah, if you want more info on that, I will have info in the description bar. Another income stream is through Amazon. So I am an Amazon affiliate. I have my own like Amazon storefront. It's always linked in my description box. If you guys go to my Amazon store and you buy something, can you hear my children? They are, what time is it? It's almost 4 o'clock. My husband will be home soon, thank the Lord, because I can't wait to eat pizza in the bath. Pizza in the bath. We just had some ice cream, so they're just they're just extra wound up today. So Amazon, yeah, if you guys use my Amazon store link, if you buy something through my store, I do get a percentage from that, which is great. I think I get paid out every month through that, or every, I don't know. Oh, I haven't been telling you guys how often I get paid. YouTube, you get paid once a month. Through Google AdSense, you get paid once a month. Poshmark, I get paid every day, which is amazing. Closet Consultations, I get paid every day. Rakuten, you get paid, I think it's 4 times a year. I think my next check is coming in May, and my one previous to that was in February. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 4 times a year. And then with sponsorships, like when I do like brand deals and stuff, I always like to get paid up front. I do have companies saying, oh yeah, we'll pay you 60 days after you make your video. And I'm like, no, you won't. Like that's, no. So yeah, when I do my sponsorships, I always get paid up front because I'm not sitting around waiting for these companies to pay me. Like after I complete something for them, I want the money fairly soon. I'm not waiting like 30, 60, 90 days even. I've had a company, like back in the day I used to be like, oh, okay, yeah, sure. But now I'm just like, no, give me my money. Like I'm not waiting, sorry. So back to Amazon. Is that monthly? I think Amazon might be monthly. I just got an Amazon payment the other day, or maybe it's every other month. That's a program that you do have to sign up for, and I think you have to be approved for it. Not 100% sure. I know when they first rolled it out, like I joined when they first rolled it out, and they contacted me and they were like, hey, you know, you're an influencer, join this program we have. So I honestly don't know if it's open to everyone. I'll put more info down below. I'll have a link to it, and with more info. Similar to that, another way that I make money is through MagicLinks. So sometimes I will link products that I talk about in videos on Amazon. Other times I will link them through MagicLinks. So if they're not available on Amazon, then I will link them through MagicLinks. Sometimes I'm able to link them through MagicLinks and Amazon, and you get double the commission, which is great. MagicLinks is just an affiliate program where you know, if you talk about something in the video, you go to the MagicLinks website and you use their link to go to that product. And then every time somebody does that, I get a commission. I think they pay out, I want to say it's every 90 days. And other income streams I have are through like a couple of brands. I get a commission through Boxycharm. I work with Boxycharm for, I think it's like 5.5 years now. So every time I do my monthly unboxing video, I have my Boxycharm link down below. Every time somebody signs up using my link, I get $5. I do a Boxycharm unboxing video every month, and people sign up using my link every month, so I get paid. You have to be a Boxycharm affiliate to make a commission through them, and that was like, they invited me to do that like literally 5.5 years ago. I don't know the rules today. I don't know if you can, I don't know. I'm on the Boxycharm PR list, so I don't think you can just email them and be like, hey, can I get on your PR list? Because they have a shit ton of people on there. So I think that's it. Let me check my phone, my notes. Those are all my income streams, income revenue streams. I will have more information down below if you guys, you know, wanna do any of these things too. The easiest one to do would be Rakuten, because, you know, you can sign up for free and everyone shops online. So, you know, if you're gonna shop online, just go through Rakuten because you're gonna get cash back. Like that's a no-brainer to me. Like, yeah, I'll have my link down below. And again, if you sign up, you get your own like referral link. Tell your friends and family to sign up using your link, and you'll get $30 every time a person signs up. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. You know, if you're stuck at home and looking for ways to make, you know, some extra income, don't join an MLM, please. Don't do it. people are definitely using this quarantine period to push their MLM companies, and that's not cool. When you join an MLM, you're not starting your own business, you're just pushing products for that MLM. So it's not your business, it's not your products. You're not the CEO of your own business, so don't buy into any of that bullshit. I bought into it. Oh Lord. And people seem to get like, I don't know, people get mad at me because they're like, Vanessa, you used to push MLMs, now you're against them? It's like, yeah, because I fucking woke up and realized shit. Like, what's so bad about someone realizing their mistakes and being like, I fucked up, I shouldn't have done that? Like, what's... I got some vanilla frosting on my sweatshirt. Might have had a cupcake a couple minutes ago. So yeah, so I've just had people get mad at me for my like anti-MLM stance that I'm at right now, which doesn't make any sense. Like, again, if somebody makes a mistake and they realize it, don't you want them to own up to it and be like, shit, I shouldn't have done that, as opposed to just like ignoring it and be like, oh, it never happened. Like, no, I want people to not make the same mistake I did. I had joined 2 different MLMs. I joined doTERRA, then I joined Young Living, then I went back to doTERRA. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys if you're thinking about, you know, ways to make some extra cash. Check the description box because I will have more info down below. If you guys have different revenue streams, you should comment down below and let me know. Let other people know. You know, we can have a conversation in the comments. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.